The Maruti XL6 infotainment system makes Bluetooth connectivity simple. First, power on your car and access the infotainment menu. Navigate to Settings, then Phone, and select Pair Device. Your system will display a PIN, usually 1234 or 0000. Enter this PIN on your smartphone when prompted. Once paired, your phone will automatically reconnect each time you start the car. You can then make hands-free calls via the microphone in the rearview mirror or stream audio from apps like Spotify and YouTube Music. The system supports up to 5 paired devices, with audio quality at 48 kHz for clear sound. If you face issues like pairing glitches, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable. For persistent problems, check Maruti's official app or website for firmware updates or visit a dealership. The Maruti XL6 uses smartphone apps for navigation through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. For wireless connectivity, on 2024 and later models, enable Android Auto or CarPlay on your phone and select it from the infotainment home screen. Older models require a USB-C cable for connection. Use apps like Google Maps or Waze for turn-by-turn directions displayed through the integration. For offline navigation, preload maps on your phone beforehand. The system lacks built-in GPS or hotspot. To minimize distractions, activate Do Not Disturb mode to mute notifications while driving.